Hi guys, Brendan Lay here again from Naked Edge Real Estate, and today I'd like to welcome you to Elaine and Sean's wonderful house here at 27 Arania Place in Bedfordale. Set at the end of a beautiful quiet cul-de-sac, we're on 3,008 square metres of land. Let's go inside and have a look. From the moment you enter this 2012 built home, you'll notice there's space for everyone. With 369 square metres in total under the main roof and 290 of living, there is space for everybody. It's a true 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with huge bedrooms, all with built-in robes. The master is enormous with a huge walk-in robe as well as a spa-filled ensuite. Then the kitchen family meals is all open plan, and there's also a games room which is open plan but can be closed off easily if you wanted it to. All this leads out to a wonderful alfresco area which leads on to the pool and workshop area. All finished off with reverse cycle ducted air conditioning, its very own large separate theatre room and liquid limestone finished footpaths around the outside. As you can see guys, beautiful big backyard, lots of green grass, huge alfresco area for entertaining with the family, and a lovely below ground salt pool. On top of that, behind the camera, there's a beautiful big 8 by 12 metre fully powered workshop. Remember, we are on with select date sale, so make your viewing appointment promptly. And on the viewing side of things, yes, you can still come and look at homes. We just have protocols in place about how you enter the home and how you leave the home. Feel free to give us a ring and we can explain all of these to you. As always, we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.